Weather and seasons. Weather and seasons are both important parts of how our world changes every day and throughout the year. Weather tells us what's happening in the sky, like whether it's sunny, rainy, windy, or snowy right now or today. Seasons are big changes that happen over months like summer, winter, spring, and autumn. What is weather? Weather is what happens in the atmosphere around us each day. It can change quickly, even many times in just one day. Some weather words are sunny, cloudy, rainy, snowy, windy, hot, or cold. Weather affects what we wear and what we can play outside and even how we feel. Different types of weather include sunny, rainy, snowy, windy, cloudy, and stormy, which are common and easy for kids to recognize. Sunny weather means bright and warm days with clear skies. Rainy weather happens when water droplets fall from clouds, making the ground wet, important for plants. Snowy weather is very cold with white snowflakes falling, perfect for making snowman. Windy weather means air is moving fast, making leaves and trees sway. Cloudy weather is when clouds cover the sky, blocking the sun. Stormy weather includes strong winds, heavy rain, thunder, and lightning, which can be exciting but safest to watch indoors. Other special weather types kids might hear about are drizzle, that is light rain, hail, that is hard ice pieces falling, tornadoes, dangerous spinning winds, and rainbows which happen when the sun shines through rain. What are seasons? Seasons are patterns of weather that happen over a long time, usually months. The main seasons are spring, summer, autumn, and winter. Each season has typical weather. Summer is usually warm or hot, and winter is cold. Leaves fall off trees in autumn, and flowers start to grow in spring. Seasons happen because Earth moves around the sun and is tilted on its axis. Why do seasons change? The Earth moves in a circle, that is an orbit around the sun, and it takes one whole year to go all the way around. Earth is tilted a little, so different parts get more sunlight at different times. When your country is tilted towards the sun, it is summer there. When it's tilted away, it is winter. Seasons are four parts of the year: spring, summer, autumn, and winter. That brings typical weather changes. Spring brings flowers and warmer days. Summer is hot and bright. Autumn cools down and leaves changes color, and fall and winter is cold, sometimes snowy. These happen because Earth orbits the Sun and tilts, causing different amounts of sunlight during the year. Simple weather and seasons experiment. Making a season wheel. Materials required: paper plate or sheet of paper, markers or crayons, scissors, split pin. Steps: divide a paper plate into four equal parts. Label each part with the season: spring, summer, autumn, winter. Draw typical weather or activities for each season: snow for winter, flowers for spring, sun for summer, and leaves for autumn. Color your wheel. Use scissors with an adult's help to make a small hole in the center. Cut out a pointer arrow from paper. Make a hole at one end and attach it to the wheel's center with a split spin. Spin the arrow and talk about the seasons it points to. What weather do you expect? This experiment helps kids understand the repeating patterns of seasons and the type of weather to expect in each one. Kids can explore how weather changes every day while seasons change predictably every year. Try making the season wheel together to talk about favorite weather and activities for each season.